Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did an outline on what this DG app is. So a lot of people are asking, what is it? I'm gonna tell you, okay? So it has more features than just penny shopping. This app allows you to do more things than you would ever think at your local Dollar General. Okay, so the app has features like it gives you coupons whenever you check out automatically, so you don't have to look for them. Okay, so another thing this app does, it allows you to be able to scan products whenever you go into the store, which is another way of how to find the penny items. Okay, so you can just take and go and look for your UPCs. These are what UPCs are. Okay, this was a penny item at one time. You want to capture that UPC. Okay, so another way this DG app is also workable for life is that you can scan items, and then it calculates these items for you, so you can keep track of how much you are spending when you are in the store. Okay, so another way that this app is awesome is that it also allows you to be able to check out early. Okay, so that's why it's called DG Go. Okay, so you can, there's like this big tablet. I'll put a picture at the end of what this big tablet's going to look like, so you don't go in the store like, what is that? Okay, when they start adding all these new features, you would be surprised at the new features that's coming up in the Dollar General. The new features that are coming up in the Dollar General are grocery stores. They are gas stations. They are allowing you, like I just said, being able to go in the store, scan prices that calculates your price before you end the your shopping trip, and be able to be first to go out of the store instead of waiting in them long lines, which is very exhausting because you're like, come on, I gotta go to work, I gotta go pick the kids up, I gotta do this, I gotta do that. Something you got to do. I gotta start dinner. It's running in your head. I gotta do this. That's why they created the DG Go app for people who are on the go. Okay, you can find this app in your local app store, whether it's Apple, whether it's Play Store. You can find it there.